Welcome back to NewLook. Today I'm back with another natural homemade remedy that is for your hair. In ancient days, the hair loss will occur due to aging, but nowadays it is due to pollution. Most of us face with this hair loss problem. Today I'm going to show a natural DIY to get rid of this hair loss. So now let's get started. Hair loss treatment at home. I'm going to use some yogurt, aloe vera gel, this vitamin E capsule. It is available in any medical shop. And the coconut oil, whatever you use regularly for your hair, you just use the coconut oil or almond oil, olive oil, whatever you have at your home. You can use that. By using this coconut oil, vitamin E capsule, aloe vera gel and curd. Now by using all these 4 materials, I am going to show a DIY for your hair loss. So now going into the procedure, take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm using only 2 tablespoons, but your hair length is more, you can use more of yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 vitamin E capsule. Just cut the tip of this capsule. Don't cut in the middle. If you cut in the middle, the oil get departed. So just make a small hole at the edge and squeeze this oil. This is an effective home remedy for boosting your hair growth. Many people suffer from this hair loss, but unfortunately, many cannot afford those expensive medical treatments that are available. So I am showing this DIY for those people. If you are noticing any frequent hair loss and you are worried that you might be suffering from hair loss, it would not hurt to try some of the home remedies. This is the very important home remedy for your hair loss. After mixing well, take some amount into your hands. Take with your both the hands and just apply to your hair from the roots to the tip as you apply any type of oil. Just take into your hands, rub like this and just apply onto your entire hair and massage well. After this, wear a shower cap. Let it be for 1 to 2 hours and then wash with mild shampoo. For this remedy, you don't need to spend a lot of money, time, because these products are very cheaper. The coconut oil is available at your home and yogurt is readily available at your kitchen. And I've used this aloe vera gel and vitamin E oil. These two also readily available at any medical shop. If you have aloe vera plant at your home, you can try that plant because it is very useful than this market product. So do try this remedy. It will be very helpful for your hair loss, and within 2 months you will get long and beautiful shiny hair. That's it for now, guys. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to NewLook.
Like, share, subscribe Ring the bell button.